What's up, everybody, and welcome to my channel. I'm Crypto B, and you are on my crypto show, place where we bring to you the latest insights and updates in the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we have got a topic that's been making waves in the crypto community for quite some time: XRP, the digital asset that's been capturing everyone's attention. So, grab your notepads and get ready to dive deep in the world of XRP. Bring the intro and let's start. Okay, so we have to start at the beginning. XRP is a cryptocurrency that's often associated with Ripple, a company that's on a mission to make cross-border payments more efficient. But XRP itself has a unique role in the crypto space. It's not just another coin, it's a digital asset with a specific purpose. So what about the role? You see, XRP serves as a bridge currency in the Ripple ecosystem. It's like the grease in the wheel of international money transfer. XRP facilitates the exchange of value across different currencies, making cross-border payments faster and cheaper. But how does XRP work its magic? It uses a technology called the XRP ledger, a decentralized blockchain that confirms transactions within seconds. This speed is a game changer for the financial industry, where transactions often take days or weeks to settle. Well, now it's important to clarify that XRP and Ripple are two different entities. Ripple is the company and XRP is the digital asset. But Ripple has played a significant role in promoting the adoption of XRP. They are actively working with financial institutions to incorporate XRP into the payment solution. XRP journey has had its share of challenges, one of the biggest being regulatory issue. It faced a lawsuit from the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, which questioned whether XRP should be classified as security. This legal battle has had a significant impact on the XRP price. Despite the regulatory hurdle, XRP has continued to evolve. In fact, just recently, XRP is now available for its game payments in popular online games like Roblox and Smite through the payment processor BitPay. Xsolla, the in-game payments manager for this game, has introduced XRP as a payments option for players. Roblox, one of Xsolla's primary clients, is an online metaverse and gaming platform where users can create their own games. In the second quarter of 2023, Roblox had an average of 65.5 million daily active users, making a 25% increase year over year, with the platform generating 680.8 million in revenue, a 15% year-over-year growth. XRP's value experienced a 0.65% decline in the 24 hours leading up to 8:30 p.m. in Hong Kong, trading at 0.49 cents according to the CoinMarketCap. See, it's essential to stay updated with the latest news to understand where XRP is heading. And now the big question, is XRP a good investment? Well, that's a complex question. As always, it's crucial to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance. XRP potential as a bridge currency in a global payments is exciting, but it's also essential to keep an eye on regulatory developments. In conclusion, XRP is a unique digital asset with a specific role in revolutionizing cross-border payments. Its journey has had its ups and downs, but it continues to be a significant player in the crypto space. Just take for a fact that XRP is on the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the run and is still here. So potentially XRP can do very, very well on the upcoming cycle. And so if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto updates, and share your thoughts in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for being part of my journey, and I will see you guys on the next video or maybe in another stream. Happy investing. Ciao.